Agitemania mbunge-ini ya kaunti ya Nyandarua mutaratara uyu wa waatho wigie budget, mujumbe wa wadi ya Jafine Kifuru James Gashoba Keiro uria nowe mwikariri giti wa kamiti ya budget wa kaunti no niugite ati ajumbe mari na nganja iguru rigie mutaratara uyu makiuga ati uri na magesha maingi ma kiwatho.
The committee noted the great concern and compliance by the county treasury with the set out and strict timelines of the budget calendar making process.
Oho Gashoba niugite ati thirikari ya kaunti ya Nyandarua ndinarumirira mutaratara uria wagiriire guthondeka budget ino undu uria ungicungiriria guthanganio kwayo. Gucerithirio kwa budget ino ningi no kurehete githagathago kinene, ajumbe ingi magitetia kuongerereka kwa mahuthiro ma kuriha aruti a wira mishara.
The challenges of soaring wage bill and growth in its debts portfolio, which greatly affect the service delivery to the people of Nyandarua.
Ona ningi kuratuika ati mamwe ma maratathi mutaratara-ini uyu wa watho matiriho undu uria urarakaririe ajumbe amwe. Itanya ria kwandika arutani 200 a nathari ni riguthitwo igutha inene thutha wa mubango uyu kwaga kugairwo kigina thiini wa budget ino.
That despite the announcement having been made to recruit 200 ECD teachers, there's no provision for the same in the budget.
Udungi wariririo ni uhoro wa ungania wa mbeca cia igoti kaunti-ini no ya Nyandarua gukirikana itanya ria kungania milioni 400 no riage gukinyanira kungirorwo mwaka muthiru. Mutongoria wa aria aingi mbunge-ini ya kaunti ino Kamau Gathungu augite ati kuri na icigo imwe itanagairwo onaki.
Considering that we usually preach that we want to care for the youth, in the Shaupondo ward, in 2 consecutive budgets, I have not received a penny, Mr. Speaker, sir. In health department, Mr. Speaker, sir, the same case has happened. In trade, in rat, Mr. Speaker, sir, this is unfair.
Riu ajumbe meguthie na mbere kwariria mutaratara wa watho nigetha monekana ni mekuhitukia utuike budget ya mwaka wa 2018 o ndumwe na 19 ya kaunti ya Nyandarua. Ngiribotera Inooro TV, njitagwo Njoroge wa Githĩnji.